Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Tech Blaster here. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a joystick to your Pokémon GO game so you can play without leaving your home. And the best part, this is available for iOS completely free, no subscription, no verification required, and you can download it directly to your iOS device without using a PC. Before starting, don't skip the video. Watch all the steps so you won't have any problems while installing. Also, subscribe to my channel for awesome Pokémon GO tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, you need to delete or uninstall the official Pokémon GO application from your device. This step is important to ensure the installation works properly without any conflicts. Now open Safari and visit SpooferX.app. Once the page loads, tap on Install Now, then tap Install to begin the installation. Now return to your home screen. You'll see the game downloading directly to your device without using a PC. The download may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you may notice that the game doesn't open and shows a Verify message. To fix this, go to Settings General Device Management, trust the certificate, then tap Allow and restart your device. After restarting, the certificate will be installed. Now go back to your home screen and open the Pokémon GO game. As you can see, I'm now able to open the Pokémon GO game. I'll skip the login process since you're already familiar with it. As you can see, we're now on the Pokémon GO home screen. Notice the yellow icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to open the feature menu. From here, go to Settings and adjust the options according to your preference. Now enable the joystick and you'll see it appear on your screen. You can easily interact with Pokémon on the map. Simply tap on any Pokémon you see to start the encounter. This is the fastest way to check spawns around you. With this application, you can use the joystick to move smoothly around your surroundings, making it easier to spin Pokéstops and catch nearby Pokémon. This application offers several useful features to enhance your gameplay experience, including smoother joystick control, nearby Pokémon visibility, and helpful in-game tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and support the channel for more Pokémon GO tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.